County Sheriff's Office is rolling out a new program aimed at helping male offenders rebuild their lives after getting out of jail. The hope is it will help them stay out of prison for good. Our Mike Cronin has all the details.
Elected officials hope the opening of a small office will have big rewards in keeping offenders out of jail.
Inmates find any excuse to fall back into a life of crime.
Friday, Sheriff Louis Evangelitis marked the opening of the After Incarceration Support Services Center located on Main Street in Worcester. The goal is to prevent inmates from becoming repeat offenders.
It's a way we can kind of work with them after their release to keep them on the straight and narrow, keep our community safer, and also save the cost of reincarcerating people over and over again.
A cost Evangelitis says is about $46,000 per inmate. Using this program, Evangelitis estimates it'll cost less than $10,000 per person. The Sheriff's Department is partnering with the Worcester Initiative for Support Reentry to help transition inmates back to the community.
We're really targeting housing, employment, substance abuse and mental health services, health care, get them into and connected to those services.
The Health Foundation of Central Massachusetts is paying $475,000 to fund the work for 1 year.
And we expect that success to drive changes in public policy. In the next few years, we would expect the state to be looking at doing more in reentry.
There are similar programs across the country which Evangelitis says are successful. He says they'll begin working with inmates on a voluntary basis while they're still behind bars.
We can't help those who don't want to help themselves. That's the bottom line here, but we know that there are inmates that are willing to be reached.
Evangelitis says the program will play a role in keeping crime down, ultimately making Worcester County safer.
Because if we help them, we make all of us safer. That's the bottom line.
Mike Cronin, Worcester News Tonight.
Mass gaming